Hello everyone. So today we're going to learn about how we can increase our maximum file upload size from 2 MB to 512 MB using cPanel in just few easy steps. So in order to do that, you should have your cPanel account login details, and once you have that, you need to log into your cPanel admin dashboard. And I have already logged into my cPanel dashboard. So I'm going to scroll down to the PHP INI editor option, which is here, multi PHP INI editor, and you need to click here. Once you click here, you're going to get option like this. From here you need to select your domain. So for this I'm going to select my domain, which is this, and after selecting your domain you need to edit these files. Okay, file options. So I'm going to edit it, and you can use same values for your website also. Okay, so once you completed this editing, you can click on apply. Once it's show the successful message, you can return back to your dashboard of WordPress website, and you can refresh your website. After refreshing your website, you can again check your file uploading size. Now you can see that file uploading size have increases from 2 MB to 512 MB, and you can follow this same step for your website also to increase your file uploading size of WordPress website, so you can upload larger file easily in your website. Thank you.